Hello and welcome everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Job Science. Hoping everything will be going fine at your part. And once again, I am here with you with all of the new and latest jobs, and all of them are from Kuwait today. And the important thing is the job list. So let's go through it. House driver wanted in Kuwait. Pastry chef required. Salesman with computer knowledge. Required female office secretary, salesman, sales lady jobs. House driver wanted in Kuwait. Then pastry chef, Arabic food chef, sales lady job, chef needed in Kuwait. Female tailor wanted. Industrial electrician job in Kuwait. Heavy and light vehicle drivers needed. D girl required. Industrial technician needed, van delivery driver for electronic supply company, and we need delivery drivers with own vehicle, car and bike. So that was my job list today. I'm hoping there is something for you as well. Please go through the video properly and select one job for you as well. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to hit the bell icon and select all for all of the latest updates. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like all my videos and watch this video up to the end. I thank you all. So let's go through the details of the job. House driver wanted in Kuwait. Please, Kuwait City urgently need a house driver for American family. So there is an American family living in Kuwait. They need a driver. So that is why the job is for house driver. They are interested in a person who must have visa at least 18 or 20 transferable. Must we have good driving experience in Kuwait, good communication in English, and salary will be discussed on interview. So they are needing a person who can communicate with them in English, who have a good experience of driving in Kuwait, and obviously salary, which is the most important part of any job, would be discussed while they were going to interview you. So anyone interested, please just send us the detailed CV. So share your detailed CV on the number given, which is the WhatsApp number. Share your CV on this WhatsApp number, and please do not call them as they have mentioned this. Call will not be answered. So pastry chef required in for bakery. Selmia is the place, and call on urgently. Pastry chef required full time for bakery in Selmia. So they have given you the number, and share your CV, and you can contact them because they didn't said that don't call them. So salesman with computer knowledge. So there is a job for a salesman in a shop, but the person should have some computer knowledge as well. Valid visa, transferable 18, and then computer knowledge, English and basic Arabic communication is a must. Working hours 9 hours, salary 150 KD. So working hours are 9 hours a day, and Arabic and English communication should be good, and must have some computer knowledge as well. Salary is 150 KD. If you are interested, they have given their number, their email address. Share your CV on these contacts, and you can contact them for further details as well. So apply. Then required female office secretary. So there is a need of a office secretary, and they want to have a females to apply. So require female office secretary full time. The job is full time. Familiar with office, MS Office, timesheet, payroll, salary sheet. So they are interested in a person who have some experience in all these softwares: MS Office, timesheet, payroll, and salary sheet. So if you are interested and you have some experience as well, you are looking some job, so call them or contact them through this number, share your CV and apply. Place Shoaikh. So in Shoaikh area, there is a shop. They need some salesmen and sales ladies. So any nationality can apply. So a salary could be 230 kWd in 8 hours duty a day and 6 days a week. So you need to work 6 days a week, and you have 1 day off a week, and visa should be 18 transferable. So if you are interested, call them at the following given number, or you can share your CVs. So it's a good opportunity, comparatively an easy job, and one thing which is flexible in this job, that is any nationality can apply. Then house driver wanted in Kuwait, urgent need a house driver for American family, visa 18 to 20 transferable. Okay, the pastry chef job in Kuwait. Place Aswaq Al Quran. Maybe I have read that name incorrect. So sorry for that. So required pastry chef for pastry bakery cake for from any nationality. Salary is 300 to 350 KD plus food. 8 hours duty a day off weekly means you need to work for 6 days a week, and visa is 18. If you are interested, please call them at the following given email. Following number, and you can contact them for further details as well. Next job is Arabic food chef, the same place, Aswaq Al Quran, required Arabic food chefs. So the last job was of the pastry chef, and this is Arabic food chef. Indian nationality, so they are interested in some Indian persons. Salary is 300 plus accommodation plus transportation, means accommodation and transportation will be provided by the company. You need to work 8 to 10 hours a day. 2 days off monthly means only 2 days would be off for you in a month. Visa 18 transferable, and if you are interested, you have experience regarding this, and you can work for 8 to 10 hours a day, and you are willing to work with only 2 days off throughout the month. So only in that case apply for the job, and they have given their number. Share your CVs and apply. Then sales lady job. This is the same place as Suwak Al Quran, required sales lady from Philippines nationality. So in they are interested in nationality Filipinos to work in library in Andalas. Salary 250 to 300 KD and 8 hours duty, 1 day off a week. This means you need to work for 6 days. If visa 18 transferable, so if you are interested, you want to do this job, share your CV and apply. Philippines, only Philippines can apply for this job. Although they didn't mention that they preferred Filipinos, but their ad shows that they are only interested in Filipinos. So once again, cake chef needed in Aswaq Al Quran. Required chef for 3D cake and birthday cakes. Salary 300 to 400 depends on your experience. So your experience calls for your salary, and 10 hours a day duty, 1 hour break. So you need to work 10 hours duty, but 1 hour break would be there with you, and you need to work for 9 hours. And 6 days duty would be, with 1 day off weekly, and 18 visa transferable would be with you. So if you want to apply for this job, so call them for further details and apply. Next job is for female tailors. So the job is for the females. Mahbola area is the location. So required female tailor to work in Mahbola area from any nationality. One thing, anyone can apply for this job. Salary 250 to 200 KD plus accommodation. So they would provide you the accommodation as well. 10 hours duty, 1 day off. You need to work 6 days a week, and 1 day would be off. Visa 20 and stay in. So if you find it compatible with you, so go ahead and apply for this job. They have mentioned their number. Then industrial electrician. So next job is of electrician. So industrial electrician should have knowledge about control wiring, and the salary would be according to your experience. So go ahead, and if you have any experience regarding industrial electrician and you can work with the wires, so apply there. And it's a good opportunity, I think, because I mentioned this kind of job for the first time. Heavy and light vehicle drivers needed. SMAX is hiring for light and heavy vehicle drivers. Kindly send resume. So they didn't mention anything regarding the job, and but you just need to share your CVs. So they have mentioned their email address for further contact. I think so. You just have this email address for further contact. They didn't mention the number as well. So if you are interested and you are doing nothing by the way, then in that case, please contact them and get further details. Okay, next job is Tiger required for office. A company required tea girl should have experienced all kind of tea, coffee, and cleaning. Age between 25 to 35 only. 9 hours duty. Join immediately. They need a person on an immediate basis. Your duty hours should be 9, and your age should be to 35 or below that. So contact us, send CV by WhatsApp. Don't call. Share your CVs. Please do not call them. It's a request from their side. So it's a good thing that they have mentioned, and we have to follow. So, tea girl is needed. The job is for females and who are expert in making teas, coffees, and cleaning. And the age should be according to the mentioned, like 35 or below that. Next job is industrial technician needed. Need industrial technician should have knowledge about control wiring. Salary depends on experience. If you are interested, please go ahead and apply for the job. The next job is a van delivery driver for electronics supply company. Looking for manual van delivery driver for electronic supply company. WhatsApp your CV. Please do not call. So once again, they mentioned this thing in their ad. So do not call them and share your CV. So if they think you are acceptable to them, then they will call. So delivery driver is needed in this job. We need delivery drivers with own vehicle, car, and bike. So the next job is of delivery drivers once again, but the person should have their own cars or bikes. So we want delivery drivers for Talabat, I think so, and one per order 1 kd and per order 0.850 kd. So there are two options. In one case, they are going to provide you 1 kd per order, commission kind of thing, and in the second case they will go to provide you to 8.850 kd and for per order. So if you are interested and you know some other requirements from them, so call them and get the details and in and apply for this job. So that was my last job. I thank you all for the patience listening, hoping there is something for you as well. Please take good care of yourself. Bye bye.